And now, friends, I'm not going to come between you and the guest of honor today, Mr. Deepak Parekh. Can I please request you to come here, sir, and say a few words? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Deepak Parekh. Sir, thank you. Thank you very much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to be here today to celebrate the 7th anniversary of People Strong. Now, 7 years is a very short span of time in the life of any organization. But when I look at People Strong, I'm truly amazed at how much it has achieved in this short span of 7 years. From humble beginnings as a small startup firm to emerge as a leading and innovative HR outsourcing company is truly reflective of the immense capabilities and dedication of the people behind this venture. We all know that as companies grow in size, their organizational structures tend to get more complex. I must say that you talked about 1990 and 2000, but when I started my career, there was no HR head in any organization. HR as a function was not really recognized. And today I see in almost all companies, the HR head has to be on the board of directors side by side with the finance guy. So HR function has really got tremendous importance in the last 10, 15, 20 years. Just the task of managing people eats up into a lot of management time, which otherwise could be spent on more strategic issues. HR outsourcing companies help to lift part of this burden of management. At the very basic level, HR outsourcing companies handle routine HR opportunities such as what we've seen: recruitment, exit interviews, compensation, benefits, administration, payroll management, and a few other points. Not surprisingly, more companies are seeing tremendous value in outsourcing their HR functions to entities that have deep domain expertise rather than attempting to run this department or run this line function within their organization. Needless to add, People Strong has had the first mover advantage in this space. People Strong serves over 2 lakh employees each month, and I'm given to believe that it hires one person every 22 minutes for its clients. This is absolutely mind-boggling. The bigger question today is, what are the challenges of human resource management in a country like ours? 1 out of 6 people in the world live in India, and 60% of the population of our country is below the age of 30. This leaves India with having one of the world's largest working age populations. Now, the irony is that sufficient jobs are not being created and unemployment numbers are rising. On the other hand, companies find it extremely difficult, and there's a huge talent scarcity, and therefore they have no choice but to pay a huge premium to recruit and to retain that talent. Another related issue pertains to our education system, which really needs a total overhauling. It is estimated that India produces 2 million graduates every year. Yet 2/3 of these graduates need to be reskilled before they can be considered as a prospective job. 2/3 of the 2 million needs extra training, extra courses, skill upgradation classes, otherwise they are unable to get jobs. These are graduates. Recent studies have shown also that only 20% of MBAs can get a job immediately after their degree. 80% of our MBA students again have to go through skilling needs and extra courses, extra classes in order to qualify to get a job. So finding the right people for the right job at the right time is extremely challenging. Now, if one looks at our Indian economy, the services sector, which is the predominant sector in our GDP, in our GDP composition, and over every 5 years it has been growing. Today, I think it's about over 65% of our GDP comprises of the service sector. And it's the service sector that is driving India's growth. And the service sector will continue to drive India's growth in the next few decades. So many new jobs have been created in the fast-growing sectors like banking, financial sector, insurance, automobiles, hospitality, travel, pharma, amongst others. The IT and IT-enabled services in India is estimated to have created 3 million jobs and 9 million indirect jobs. So today we have about 12, these are NASSCOM figures. We have 12 million people working in the IT BPO sector, 3 million direct, and the additional staff that is required, canteen, security, logistics and all, is another 9 million. So about 12 million people are working, and this number, again, according to NASSCOM, is going to grow rapidly over the next few years. However, one problem these IT and BPO companies have is attrition. I've seen some numbers. I was connected with one company where attrition rate was over 100%. So the attrition rates have come down recently, but the numbers are really mind-boggling. This is perhaps also reflective of the new mindset of our youth, India's youth. They are dynamic, they are ambitious. Maybe they are over-ambitious, but they are impatient. And employee loyalty is an alien concept to this new generation. But at the end of the day, we must recognize that India's future rests in how well we are able to tap into our vast pool of human resources, and it depends on how much effort corporate India and the government is willing to make to improve and upgrade the skills of our workforce. So to my mind, firms like PeopleStrong, who are driven to achieve broader goals, who are able to capitalize on technology, as we've seen, and innovation, and yet have a deep understanding of the softer aspects of human resource management, will play a crucial role, a defining role in shaping our future workforce. Based on our own experience, I can say that HDFC Life is an extremely satisfied company who are using PeopleStrong since a long time. And we look forward to enhancing this relationship with PeopleStrong. To conclude, let me take this opportunity to congratulate Pankaj, Shelly, his other co-founders, and his team for their laudable achievements. The launch of India's first HR Command Center is no doubt an exciting new disruptive technology platform that will transform the future of HR in India. To steal a line from Neil Armstrong, I'd say that the HR Command Center is a small click for PeopleStrong, but a giant leap for India's HR. Thank you.